Good morning, students, and welcome back to MPK Girls School online classes. I am your teacher, Sandhya ma'am. So, students, how are you all? Are you all going through the videos forwarded to you? My dear students, I request you all to take seriously the online classes. Go through the videos, try to do the homework regularly, either by yourself or take the help of your parents and send it to the concerned teachers, no matter if it is wrong also. We teachers are here to check and clear out the doubts to you. Feel free to call us and ask your doubts in the mobile numbers given to you. Before coming to our lesson, let me first give you the answers to the previous PDF which I have given to you. The first exercise was put these expressions in the correct column. In the table, one side you can say countable noun is written and on the other side uncountable noun. Some expressions are given and you had to read the expressions and find out whether they are countable or uncountable noun. Now let me first read out the countable noun. Some bread, bananas, a few eggs, 10 trees, many bicycles, some chairs, a lot of birds. And uncountable nouns are a little time, a bowl of soup, do not have any money, a lot of sugar, a few moments, enough water, how much sand, a little milk, an hour of work. Second exercise, write C for countable nouns and UC for uncountable nouns. And also you have to make plurals of the countable nouns. First one is lady. Lady is countable and the plural of lady is ladies. Air, uncountable. Light, uncountable. Doll, countable and the plural is dolls. Teacher, countable and the plural of teacher, teachers. Window, countable, plural, windows. Silver, uncountable. Fence, countable, plural, fences. Oxygen, uncountable. Music, uncountable. Mud, uncountable. Mountain, countable, plural, mountains. News, uncountable. Love, uncountable. Okay, children, now let us come to today's topic. Today's topic is possessive nouns. A noun that shows ownership or relationship is a possessive noun. We add an apostrophe s to a noun to show ownership. For example, Minu's pet. This shows that the pet belongs to Minu. Second, the girl's bicycle. Here again it shows that the bicycle is only of a single girl. We add an apostrophe s to make a singular noun possessive. For example, the feathers of the eagle. Kiske feathers? The eagle's feathers. The bicycle of a friend. Whose bicycle? A friend's bicycle. We add only an apostrophe to make a plural noun ending in s possessive. For example, the color of the leaves. Here we will write the leaves color, Leaves, and apostrophe at the end. यहाँ पर leaves एक plural शब्द है. हम leaves के बाद apostrophe लगाकर leaves का possession बताएंगे. Leaves और पीछे apostrophe. Now coming to today's homework, it is based on the topic which we have studied today, possessive noun. The first question is use of to change the following as shown. The first one they have already shown in the book as an example. The sun's rays. How you will write? The rays of the sun. The second one is the flower's petal. Here you will write the petal of the flower. In the same way, the remaining also you will do. Second exercise is use apostrophe s to change the following as shown. First one is the taste of the soup. The answer is the soup's taste. In the same way, the second one, the feathers of the eagle. You children have to write the eagle's feathers. Your third question is fill in the blanks to get correct sentences. The first sentence is this garbage dump attracts a lot of dash if you leave the lid off. Here you can see children, a lot of is written. A lot of means बहुत सारे flies की बात हो रही है. Flies का plural हम कैसे लिखेंगे? FLIES. Next sentence, the flies come from the nearby dash. यहाँ पर फ्लाइज कहाँ से आ रही हैं? नियर बाय पास की झाड़ियों से. तो झाड़ियों को हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? बुशेस. इसकी सही स्पेलिंग कैसे लिखते हैं? BUSHES, bushes. I am sending you this homework through a PDF in which you have to write the answers and send the picture of that work to me. You can do this work in any of your rough notebook. Thank you.